Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good in your life. So today's video is going to be my very first Club Factory haul. I have some things right here, and let me just tell you something guys, that I filmed this video, Club Factory video, the day I got my package. I filmed it because I wanted to share my first experience and first impressions and my reactions on camera with you guys when I see the products for the first time, क्योंकि मेरा पहला haul है Club Factory का. But the memory card got corrupted and I lost my entire footage. So I have no option now to show you the products again, but I have managed to keep the packet in which the products came in, and also in inside you can see I have still managed to keep some of the products like that. But वो first impressions और वो reaction वाली बात नहीं होगी, but कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपके साथ share करूँगी, दिखाऊँगी आप लोगों को वो products जो मैंने खरीदे हैं. तो let's get started. So starting with the package, this is what the package in which my products came in looks like. Now I have seen in a lot of videos, Club Factory videos, that this packet, the outer packet, is colorful and it has Club Factory written all over it. I think that might be the PR package, I'm not too sure, but मुझे तो ये एक ordinary, जैसा हम Amazon, Myntra, Nykaa यहाँ से खरीदते हैं तब इस टाइप के पैकेट में आता है, मुझे exactly इसी पैकेट में आया है. और जैसा मैंने दिखाया, inside are my contents. So we will get started with it. I'm going to show you each one by one. So this is the first product that I ordered. Now this is a microfiber head towel, and I will of course put the prices of these along with the pictures right here so that you guys can see the products. लेकिन इस पे price लिखा हुआ है 161 rupees. And I have a similar microfiber head towel which is purple in color. I'll just show you guys. I'll just bring it and I'll show you. Just hold on. Okay, so I'm back. So this is my head towel that I bought from I think I bought from Hyper City, और ये मैंने कुछ 200-250 में खरीदा है. And this is what I have received from Club Factory at the cost of 161. Now Club Factory pay prices keep changing, so you need to keep checking because the prices keep increasing, keep decreasing. तो फिलहाल क्या pricing है I don't know, but whatever it is, the picture will be right here. This is the Club Factory one. Now I got to tell you that of these two, this is a lot softer than this one. I can like the microfibers, I can feel it. Here I cannot feel, like it's very soft. But ये काफ़ी पुराना है, काफ़ी used है, तो हो सकता है धुल के, you know, sometimes the clothes become a little rough to hold, like to touch maybe, and this is brand new. And definitely this is a little thicker. इस कपड़े की ना थोड़ी मोटाई है, जबकि ये बहुत हल्का कपड़ा है. But anyway, it doesn't matter because this is just to wrap around the wet hair. And the reason I bought this is because जब आपके बाल गीले होते हैं ना, so they are little delicate and they are little brittle. So instead of wrapping your hair around a cotton towel that makes them prone to friction and breakage and all of that, experts say that you should use a microfiber head towel that will even dry up your hair faster, so you don't have to use a lot of drying tools. मतलब 50-60% तक सूख जाते हैं actually बाल इस टाइप के microfiber towels के help से. So you get this in India also, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, they are not very costly. Amazon वगैरह पे भी आपको same price में मिल जाएगा. So this is the next item that I ordered for. Now this is supposed to be a plastic sealing equipment, like आपके जो plastic के पैकेट्स होते हैं बिस्किट्स एंड नमकीन या दाल वगैरह के, so and if you want to temporarily seal them, that's what this is supposed to be for. This is how it looks. And यहाँ पे battery डालेगी. Here you need to put the battery here. There are 2 batteries and then it will work. Now obviously I tried to use this, and to be very honest with you, it's not that effective because it doesn't actually seal properly, and that seal is not very tight also. So, or maybe, you know, I have to figure out how to use it properly, but काम चलाओ seal हो जाता है आपका. So yeah, if you're interested, yeah, you can just grab one. But I'm sure you get these. You'll get these at Amazon. You'll get them at Flipkart. I'm sure मिल जाएगा 200-250 रुपए में आराम से. Okay. Then the next thing I've ordered is this. Now this is something that if you have seen my Shein haul में भी मैंने एक कपड़े का ऐसा choker order किया था, और the same thing I ordered from here, and it's a cloth one, and obviously this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. As you can see, if you're wearing a broad shoulder dress like this, just put a choker and you're set. It literally fills in your neck and it's very very comfortable. It's मतलब कहीं से भी scratchy वगैरह नहीं है, and yeah, I think it's really cool. उसके बाद मैंने order करी ये earrings जो I'm not too sure if you can see considering my dark wardrobe background, क्योंकि मुझे व्यू फाइंडर से तो I think मुझे नहीं दिखाई दे रही हैं, footage में देखना पड़ेगा, but anyway I'll insert a footage. But this is what it looks like. Now again, I saw Shalini's Club Factory haul video and she placed the order for exact same earrings, and oh my god, I loved these earrings so much on her that I had to buy one for myself as well. So that's what I did, and I think they are really nice, very lightweight, and the sparkle is so good. Now this one was a little surprising for me in the sense that I was expecting, first of all, the size to be a little bigger than this, and this thing I was expecting to be hard, but it's not. It's like around a wire they have just stuck like these beads sort of thing. So yeah, I mean that was a little surprising for me, but they look really really pretty. And suppose if you're going partying or something and where there are like lights like these, like right in your face, yeah, you're gonna sparkle a lot. Now I did see these on Amazon as well, I think for $199 or something. So yeah, but I'm not too sure about Amazon पे जो मिल रहा है तो उसका size और वो सब कैसा है, I don't know. But the same earrings are there on Amazon as well, just FYI. Alrighty, then I placed an order for this. Now what is this? This is a remote control cover and that's what it looks like. और ये कुछ 100 रुपए का पड़ा था, very very inexpensive. I like to keep my remotes in covers because I hate those dirt and those dirty hands touching them, and I just have that OCD, so I keep them covered in plastic, but obviously this is much more better than plastic. Here I have my Tata Sky remote and you open it up and I'm going to put the remote in. ये remote ऐसे अंदर डाला, इसको ऐसे बंद किया and bam, that's your remote. And it works also, or I think it looks very cute sitting on the center table. It looks cute और काफ़ी efficient भी है क्योंकि आप remote use भी कर सकते हैं. और ये जो net है ये बहुत soft net है, it's not चुभने वाला net नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा soft है. So yeah, I think it looks very nice. And you have these in multiple colors, but colors you cannot choose. They just send you some assorted colors में से कोई भी. तो मुझे ये cream color का मिला है, but they have blue, pink, I think green and stuff also. And पीछे अच्छा cushion दिया हुआ है, so in case if it falls also your remote is not going to get damaged. So yeah, this was a remote cover that I placed an order for. Okay, then the next two pieces, I just put them back in their respective bags. This one is this is a watch that I ordered, and I was very excited actually to get this watch in hand because this is the cheapest watch I own and it is so beautiful, you guys. I want this, and it's just a stunning piece of accessory, and it's a rose gold color. You can see this is what it looks from the back. It's got a stainless steel back and this is the strap. And ये घड़ी ऐसी दिखती है. ये फ़ोटो में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्त दिखी थी. That is why obviously I ordered for it. और उसकी फ़ोटो यहाँ कहीं होगी. This was for I think 200 या 250 की घड़ी थी और बहुत अच्छी है. The strap is so soft and the best part is the strap, how it works. You just have to, जितने भी आपको loose tight जैसी चाहिए, just pull the strap and it's a magnet. There. This is just a magnet. So you can actually, even if you have thicker hands, thinner hands, this watch is going to work for you. And they have multiple colors. They have silver, black. I like the one with the purple one as well. They have rose gold and so on and so forth. They have a variety of colors in this. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगी. I mean, wow, this looks pretty. और देखने से तो कहीं से भी 250 रुपए की लगती नहीं है. That is what I liked about this watch. So yeah, and then the last thing that I guess that I have ordered is this. Now this is a bracelet, or इट्स जस्ट अ स्टैंडर्ड पर्ल ब्रेसलेट. हो सकता है ये मुझे थोड़ा महंगा पड़ा हो. दिस वन वॉज फॉर 117 रुपीज़. नो, सो दिस इज़ नॉट महंगा. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो अब ये कौन सा किस में है, क्योंकि मुझे जो भी पैकेट दिखा मैंने उसमें डाल दिया. Yeah, so I'm not too sure, but again, hey, the price will be there. So this is what the bracelet looks like, and that's how it comes. It's got a beautiful design right here. You can see this is the design, and it looks very nice. और अगर आप शौकीन हैं ब्रेसलेट्स वगैरह के तो आप obviously इसे पहन सकते हैं. बिल्ड क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. तो yeah, and obviously for the price point it is amaze balls. So that is it for my Club Factory haul. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Overall, I really love the jewelry and the accessories from Club Factory. I think they are very good. Even this one that I'm wearing, super lightweight, very comfortable, and again for this choker, very comfortable piece of jewelry. So I would really highly recommend you check out jewelry and accessories from Club Factory. उसके अलावा ऐसी घर के यूज़ के लिए कुछ चीज़ें भी हैं जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. सो ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए भी क्लब फैक्ट्री एक अच्छी प्लेस है, क्योंकि दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मल्टी पर्पस थिंग्स फॉर होम एंड ऑल, जैसे कि रिमोट कवर्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. So yeah, that is I think pretty much it. If you have liked this video and have not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the like button if you have not yet hit the like button. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, all of you take care. Mwah. Bye.